Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Darin and today I'll be showing you how to make oat pancakes. But before we go into today's recipe, if this is your first time here, thank you for clicking this video. Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, which is that button you're going to be seeing on your screen right now, and also on the bell sign so you get notified when I have new videos up. Let's get into the list of ingredients. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you would know that I'm a lover of oats. I usually post different oats recipe on my Instagram feed. So please feel free to check me out. The link to my Instagram page is linked below this video. And so this is going to be like the first of several oats recipes, and I'm starting with this pancake recipe. So for the pancake, you're going to add your rolled oats into your blender cup. Then you're going to be adding in your baking powder, and then you're going to add bananas. So for this recipe, I'm not adding extra sugar or sweetener into this because I'm going to be using the sugarcane fiber later on. But feel free to add any other added sweetener that you'd prefer. So next, I'm going to be adding in my 100% whole plant prebiotic, which is otherwise known as the sugarcane fiber. So this is an optional ingredient for this recipe. So if you don't have it at home, please don't sweat yourself. Just go ahead and add in your eggs. And if you prefer to add a little bit of sweet into your pancakes, you can go ahead and add your sugar or other sweetener that you so desire. And then I'm going to crack one egg into this mixture, and then I'm going to be adding in my milk. If you have powdered milk, you can also add powdered milk at this stage, and then just make sure you add more water into the mixture to dissolve the milk. Next, I'm adding a little bit of water into the mixture to dilute it a little bit. If you don't want to add water, then just substitute the water with milk. And then I'm just going to start blending this, and you see how smooth it looks. So I'm just blending into a smooth consistency. So once I'm finished with the blending, I'm gonna get a cast iron pot and put it on my gas stove, and then I'm gonna be pouring in a little bit of my oat batter into the cast iron pot, and I'm just going to allow this to cook for a while till the air bubble forms at the surface. You're going to see this shortly. Just like your regular pancakes, once the bubble starts forming on the surface, then you know it's time for you to flip it. And I'm just going to flip this now. I'm going to use a spatula, and I'm going to just flip it over. So I'm just going to continue to make more pancakes with my oat batter, and just continue the process. See how lovely this looks? That's what you're looking for. So this is my finished look for my oat pancakes, and it's so delicious. I totally forgot to record the video when I was plating, so please excuse that. But what I've done is to add some berries, some grapes, and some diced mangoes, and then I added in maple syrup for that sugary and sweet taste. So guys, this is so tasty and delicious. Can you see how it looks? It's so nice. And this is just another way for you to jazz up your oats. Instead of you having your regular oatmeal for breakfast, just make pancakes out of it and you're gonna enjoy it. You can also do this for the kiddos. They would totally enjoy it, especially with the fruit, and it's so delicious and so yummy. So guys, that's it for this particular recipe. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and just stay tuned for more of my oatmeal recipe. I think I'm gonna be just dropping them one after the other, so just stay tuned every week for another oats recipe. And I think I have about just 2 or 3 of them coming up again. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you love this video, and please share as much as you can. Thank you. Bon appetit.